Hello everybody and welcome back to Alaris Labs YouTube channel. As you may know, the new version 3.5.14 has been released, and here we are going to list the most important features and changes. As not all features and corrections will be discussed in this video, you are welcome to check the full list of changes in the release notes. You can find the link to the release notes under this video. The new checkbox Hide Inactive has been added to the bottom of the tables of carriers, and carriers products. When selected, the inactive records are hidden. The checkbox is only shown if the inactive carriers option is set to show in Start User Settings. The new checkbox Include stats of dependent products has been added to Voice, Rates, Rate Compilation. When selected for a parent product, the system collects statistics for all of its child products. The new parameter Use vendor dial codes for client stats calculation has been added to Voice Limitation Rules. It allows using vendor dial codes for calculating client statistics. Suppose a user creates a rule for the destination Russia MTS mobile, but the client has only one rate for dial code 7. Normally, the limitation rule will not take into account the stats for the dial code. If the parameter is enabled, the system will consider vendor dial codes that may be longer than the client code 7. The parameter cross-monthly invoice splitting has been added to carriers' agreements. This allows changing the invoicing method based on partner preferences. A similar parameter exists in administration systems. For more convenient search and view of permissions, a filter has been added to the permissions sections of the Add Edit panels of carriers users. The new marker has been added to the limitation rule letter template. It shows the current value of the metric for a specific destination for which the alert was generated. Filters have been added to a number of drop-down lists of the carrier's interface. This allows quickly finding the appropriate value in the list. Previously, the system checked the uniqueness of an email by the key generated from message ID and date of delivery. Sometimes, when there was more than one email with the same ID and date, it caused a uniqueness violation, and only one email was imported. To avoid this, now the key is generated from message ID, date of delivery, and overall mail MD5. All filters and multi-pickers now display inactive products. Previously, they were hidden. For example, this may come instrumental in filtering routing rules by vendor and client products. Previously, when clicking the button Delete this recurring fee and all existing charges, all invoices generated within the recurring fee were removed, even those that were already confirmed and sent. Now only invoices with the draft status will be deleted. The new columns have been added to carriers' Voice POI. They display the range of incoming IP addresses. Additionally, the IP address column shows the mask that was set in the mask field in the Add Edit panel. The new marker has been added to the template's Blended Routing Rule Change Letter and Blended Routing Rule Deactivation Letter. It is replaced by the rule description and can be used in both the email subject and body. If multiple products are selected for Rate Expert in Voice Rates Rate Expert, a separate expert task is created for each product and launched every 5 seconds. Previously, the delay was 1 second. The increased delay serves to prevent simultaneous creation of a multitude of tasks. A new confirmation dialog has been added to carriers' agreements. It appears when the user changes one of the following parameters. Well, these are all technical details that we plan to describe in this video. Hopefully it was useful to you. In case you have any questions regarding the new version and the features that were not described here, you're welcome to contact our support team. If you have any suggestions regarding the channel development, We will be happy to get them at the following email. See you in the next video.